Hi there, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips. My name is Jane Wesley Brooks. I am a certified family law specialist with JWB Family Law in San Diego, California. Today's topic: what resources are available for you if you are contemplating or going through a divorce right now. In San Diego and across the country, there is a program called Second Saturday. Second Saturday is primarily for women. It was started out as a program for women, and it's kind of continued along that vein. Second Saturday offers presentations by divorce professionals, whether it's a divorce attorney, a mediator, a divorce coach, a real estate agent who is an expert in divorce sales. There's multiple professionals in the divorce community that can be there to present. If you want to know more about this process or what you can expect, or if you're currently going through the process and you just don't understand what's going on, this is a great workshop for you. It's a great resource for you to sign up and ask your questions and get educated. I hope that helps you, and best of luck.